Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showing you how to replace the battery in your Armani Exchange AX5104. Stick around to learn how to give your watch a new lease on life. It's easier than you think. And you'll save a ton of money doing it yourself. Let's get started. Use the tweezer to push the pin and release the strap in order to be able to open the back case. To unscrew the back of your watch, first identify the small screws on the backside securing the back cover. Use a small screwdriver, like one used for eyeglasses, that fits well into the screw heads. Insert the screwdriver and turn each screw counterclockwise until completely removed. Once all screws are out, carefully lift the back cover off. Keep the screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, gently remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Before closing the case finally, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. To rescrew the back of the watch, press the back cover onto the watch and align it properly. Take the small screws that you removed earlier and insert them back into their respective holes. Use a small screwdriver to turn each screw clockwise until they are securely tightened. Place back the pin in the strap hole and position it with the spring bar tool. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.